Okay friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is JK Educare. Myself Jibon Khanikar. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is JK Educare. আৰু ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলক মই মোৰ JK Educare চেনেলতে স্বাগতম জনাইছো আৰু লগতে মই এটা অনুৰোধ জনাব বিচাৰিছো তোমালোকে ক্লাছ বিলাক নিশ্চয় ৰেগুলাৰলি চাই আছা আৰু আমি যেটো ক্লাছ এতিয়া কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছো অৰ্থাৎ আজি আমি যেটো বিষয় আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছো সেই বিষয়টো ইয়াৰ আগৰ যেটো ভিডিও সেই ভিডিওটোৰ লগত নিশ্চয় লিংক আছে অৰ্থাৎ তাৰ পিছৰখিনি যোৱা ক্লাছটোত আমি যিখিনি কথা আলোচনা কৰিলো তাৰ পিছৰখিনি কথা আমি আজি আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছো আৰু সেই বিষয়টো নিশ্চয় তোমালোকৰ মনত আছে that is present perfect continuous tense. Okay, it means JK Educare present perfect continuous tense. Okay, this is the topic of discussion for today. Okay, up to now we have been discussing when present perfect continuous tense is used, and in the last classes we talked about mainly the main use of present perfect continuous tense, that is an action that is going on at present time, an action that is going on at present time the action is going on, but the action started at a particular time in the past. From that particular time in the past, this is the past time, particular time of the past. From that particular time of the past, the action is still going on, and this is the moment of speaking or speaking moment. Anyone? This is the moment of speaking. From that particular time up to this time of moment of speaking, an action is going on from a particular time of the past. That is called present perfect continuous tense. And this is the main use of present perfect continuous tense. Friends, we have already come to know about this fact, and also friends, we talked about for the use of for and since. These are the two words, time words, which are frequently used in present perfect continuous tense. Also, now let us discuss about present continuous tense, continuous versus present perfect continuous. Okay, now this is the topic. See, we talked about in our point number A, we talked about the use of present perfect continuous tense. In point B, we discussed about for and since. And point number C, today we are going to show what is the difference between present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. Okay, এই কথাটো আমি কালি আলোচনা কৰিছিলো যে this is present continuous tense, and this is present perfect continuous tense. This is the difference is between present continuous. This is present continuous and this is present perfect continuous. In present continuous there is no reference of past time. You see, there is no reference of past time. This is present, simple present continuous. Okay, but this is the reference of past time. There is a reference of past time. This is the reference of past time. From that particular time of the past, the action is going on. This is the moment of speaking. Okay, from that particular time of the past, the action is going on. This is present perfect continuous. Okay, this is the difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous. There is no reference of past time, and there is the reference of past time in present perfect continuous tense. This is the difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous. Okay friends, I think there is nothing to be puzzling for this difference of present continuous and present perfect continuous. So, for example, let us give some example. For example, one, they are playing now. Suppose they are playing now. Now we see this is the present continuous tense. It's a sentence belonging to present continuous tense because we see that they are playing, the action is going on. But if we write the sentence they have been playing. They have been playing for 2 hours. For 2 hours. In this sentence, you will see that there is a reference of time. This is the reference of time. For 2 hours, they have been playing. Verses that they have been playing. They have been playing for 2 hours. This sentence is a present perfect continuous tense because there is a reference of past time. 2 hours. The action of playing started before 2 hours. That 2 hours has gone past. This is the reference of past time. But in this sentence, you see they are playing now. Of course, the action is going on like this. Action is going on. Both they are playing. In both the sentence, we see they are playing. But the difference is that they are playing now. But when the game started, from which time they are playing, we don't know. There is no reference of past time. Any particular time of the past, there is no reference. So this is present continuous and this is present perfect continuous tense because in both the sentence they are playing, but here there is the reference of past time. For 2 hours, they have been playing for 2 hours. অতীতৰ এটা নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময়ৰ পৰা 2 ঘণ্টা আগৰ পৰা তেওঁলোকে খেলি আছে। প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। তেওঁলোকে সিম্পলি যদি কওঁ যে তেওঁলোকে খেলি আছে, তেতিয়া হ'লে হ'ব প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। যদি কওঁ বৰষুণ দি আছে, প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। যদি কওঁ যে ৰাতিপুৱাৰ পৰা বৰষুণ দি আছে, প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। ওকে, দিস ইজ দ্য difference between present continuous tense, present perfect continuous. Another two example is sufficient. The man is reading a newspaper. Okay, and versus the man has been reading since morning. Okay, in these two sentences again we see the same difference. What is the difference? That there is a reference of past time, since morning, but there is no reference of past time. Again in the same sentence, the man is reading, the man has been reading. The same action is going on. In both the sentence, the man is reading newspaper. The action is going on. The action of reading the newspaper is going on here in this sentence also and in this sentence also. But the difference between the two sentences is that there is no reference of past time. From when the man is reading, we don't know. But in this sentence, we see that man has been reading since morning. There is a reference of past time, that morning has already gone past. It has become a past time now, and since morning, since that particular time of the past, since morning, the action is going on, that is the man has been reading. In this way, we see that there is a difference between present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. Present continuous tense of মানুহজনে বাতৰিখন পঢ়ি আছে বুজাইছে, বাতৰি কাকতখন, আৰু প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সত কৈছে যে ৰাতিপুৱাৰ পৰা পঢ়ি আছে। তাৰমানে ৰাতিপুৱাটো এটা অতীতকালৰ সময়, সেই অতীতকালৰ নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময়টোৰ পৰা মানুহজনে বাতৰি কাকতখন পঢ়ি আছে। This is the difference between present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. I think it is very easy. There is no problem between present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. We have been discussing these things because these are some points in which the students generally make some mistakes. Okay. Now, in the same way, I am not going to write the sentence. For example, we are watching the YouTube channel JK Educare. For example, friends, if we say that what are you doing, we are watching the YouTube channel JK Educare. Okay, we are watching means it is present continuous tense. The action is going on. Now you are watching the YouTube channel. But if you say we have been watching the YouTube channel that is JK Educare for the last 1 month. For the last 1 month means the action of watching the YouTube channel JK Educator started 1 month before, but the action is still going on. In that sense, present perfect continuous tense is used. Okay, friends, I think there is no problem now between present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now another point that we should know, that is, there is a difference between present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Again, let me discuss point number D, present perfect versus present perfect continuous tense. Okay, what is the difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous tense? Some students make mistakes regarding the use of these two tense also, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Where sometimes some students use present perfect tense where they should have used present perfect continuous tense. Again, some students use present perfect continuous tense which should be written in present perfect tense. So let us have some discussion about the difference between present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. If we write a diagram, okay, this is the point of, suppose this is the starting point, this is the moment of speaking. Okay, this is the moment of speaking. I am speaking this at this time. The action started here and the action ends here. Here the action ends. There is no further action. Come to yate arambho hoy yate he hol. Come to complete hol. In that sense, present perfect tense. This is present perfect. But the action started this time. This is the past time. Started and the action is going on. This is the moment of speaking. The action is still going on. And this is called present perfect continuous tense. You see, this is the difference. There is a little difference between present perfect tense. This is present perfect and this is present perfect continuous. See the diagram. Look at the diagram. There the action started at this time and the action completes at the moment of speaking. Okay. মই ডায়াগ্ৰামটো বা মই ছবিটো আঁকিলো। যদি ইয়াত কয় যে এটো যে দিস ইজ দ্য পাস্ট টাইম এন্ড ফ্ৰম দিস টাইম দ্য একচন ইজ গোইং অন, মই ছবিটো আঁকিয়ে আছো, মানে মই ছবিটো আঁকিয়ে আছো, এটো মোমেন্ট অফ স্পিকিং, মই কামটো কৰিয়ে আছো, বাট ইয়াত কামটো ইমানতে শেষ হ'ল। দিস ইজ দ্য ডিফাৰেন্স বিটুইন প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্স এন্ড প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্সত কামটো কমপ্লিট হ'ল, পাৰফেক্ট মিন্স কমপ্লিট। At the moment of speaking, come to complete, but at the moment of speaking, the action is going on, it is not completed. In that sense, from a particular time of the past, the action is still going on, this is present perfect continuous tense. This is the basic difference between present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Okay, friends? এটোটো কোনো বিশেষ জটিলতা একো নাই, খালি এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিব লাগে যে প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট হলে কি হ'ব, প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট PRFECT, perfect is equal to ki completed. Action is completed. Present perfect continuous hole ki hobo, going on. This is the difference. Present perfect hole come to complete hole, or present perfect continuous hole come to complete nai hoa, come to going on, still going on. Because this is the difference between present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Another one point. The friends, এইখিনিলৈকে কথাখিনি ঠিকে আছে, কোনো জটিলতা নাই। আমি শিকিলো কি কামটো এইমাত্ৰ শেষ হ'ল, অলপ আগতে শেষ হ'ল, প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্স। কামটো শেষ হোৱা নাই, চলি আছে। আগৰ এটা নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময়ৰ পৰা বৰ্তমানো কামটো চলি আছে। ইন দ্যাট সেন্স ইট ইজ প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস। বাট we should know something more about present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Okay, let us have some discussion. Is a point number D. What we are talking about, difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now, boardkhon horu karone moi mohai lesu. Now point number D, eta ko ami palo ki palo je present perfect means completed present perfect continuous means going on. Number 2, what is present perfect is equal to completed. This is point number 1, and present perfect continuous action is going on. This is number 1. What difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous? Point number 1 and point number 2. Ketiaba je present perfect continuous tense or jitu ortho ami present perfect continuous tense ব্যবহার কৰো friends, সেই একেটা অৰ্থত আমি প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্স টোকে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিব পাৰোঁ কন্টিনিউয়াছৰ হলনি। কি অৰ্থত যে কন্টিনিউয়েটিভ ইউজ অফ প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াছ টেন্স এটা আছে, আমি হেতু চাব বিচাৰিছো। পইণ্ট নম্বৰ 2 কি হ'ব, প্লিজ রাইট ডাউন যে কন্টিনিউয়েটিভ CONTINUATIVE কন্টিনিউয়েটিভ ইউজ অফ প্ৰেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স, not present perfect continuous. The A point we just come here. This is one important point. The present perfect tense or continuative use. When we talk about the continuative use, continuative use means continuous choli thoka kaam. Continuous choli thoka kaam hoy tetiale definitely it belongs to present perfect continuous tense. It should have been, but now let us have some discussion about the continuative use of present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense or holoni keneke present perfect tense to the continuous use hoi thoka choli thoka orthot present perfect tense to ব্যবহার কৰিব পাৰি. It is very important point, very interesting. That point we are going to discuss now. For example, মই যদি এটা উদাহৰণ দিওঁ, okay, we have KNOW and known each other. We have known each other for 10 years. Okay, this is a sentence of present perfect tense. What is the sentence? We have known each other for 10 years. যোৱা 10 বছৰ আগতে আমি ইজনে ইজনক লগ পাইছিলো, চিনি পাইছিলো, আৰু এতিয়াও আমি ইজনে ইজনক চিনি পাই আছো। তাৰ মানে যোৱা 10 বছৰ আগৰ পৰা from a particular time of the past the action is going on. আমি ইজনে ইজনক চিনি পাই আছো, এতিয়াও তাৰ মানে আমি পাহৰা নাই। অৰ্থটো কি যে এই সেন্টেন্সটো অৰ্থটো কি যে still we know each other. Okay, this is the meaning of the sentence. Still we know each other. তাৰমানে আমি এতিয়াও ইজনে ইজনক চিনি পাওঁ, তাৰমানে কামটো এতিয়াও চলি আছে। The action of knowing is still going on, but we are not writing the sentence in present perfect continuous tense. We can use the meaning, in that meaning we can use the sentence in present perfect tense. See here you see we have been knowing each other boli na likha, and we should not write like that. No are to logot knowing kori likhibo nalage. Ei udaharonto ami janibologia eta kotha ase. Question paper a question kobula ahe, correct the sentence kobula ahe ba make the errors, mane correct the errors enaka ahe je we have know within bracket of dibo, we know enaka dibo, have to dibo, we know each other for 10 years enaka dibo. ল'ৰা-ছোৱালীবিলাকে ষ্টুডেণ্টছবিলাকে সাধাৰণতে ভুলটো কৈ দিয়ে কি যে for 10 years আছে, গতিকে প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াছ টেন্স as we have already come to know that for is used frequently is present perfect continuous tense, so they use immediately in present perfect continuous tense and they write we have been knowing each other for 10 years. But this is wrong friends. We should not use know plus ing knowing. We should have written this sentence we have known each other for 10 years. This is one important point regarding present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল নিশ্চয় সদস্যটো লিখি ললা তোমালোকে। গতিকে let me have another example. We are talking about the continuative use of present perfect tense. প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্সটো যে আমি কন্টিনিউৱেটিভ ইউজিটো কৈছো তাত আমি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছো অৰ্থাৎ প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াছ টেন্সৰ হলনি আমি প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্স ইউজ কৰিছো I have never drunk wine I not we I have never drunk wine মই কোনোদিন মদ নাখাওঁ মদ খোৱা নাই The sentence is which tense in present perfect tense এই সেন্টেন্সটো অৰ্থটো কি I still don't drink মানে মই এতিয়াও ড্ৰিংক নকৰো মই এতিয়াও মদ নাখাওঁ এই যে মই কোনোদিন নাই খোৱা এই মই যেতিয়া মোৰ মনত আছে তেতিয়াৰ পৰা এতিয়ালৈকে মই কোনোদিন মদ খোৱা নাই বা মদ নাই খোৱা দা সেন্টেন্স ইজ ইন প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্সত আছে I have never been drinking wine লিখিব প্ৰয়োজন নাই প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াছ টেন্সৰ অৰ্থটো হৈছে সেন্টেন্সটো কিন্তু মিনিংটো হেতুৱে অৰ্থ হলেও প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াছ টেন্সত লিখাৰ প্ৰয়োজন নাই we can write the sentence is I have never drunk wine in present perfect tense itself the same meaning we did not write it in we have been never drinking wine এনেকে লিখাৰ কোনো প্ৰয়োজন নাই ঠিক সেইদৰে another sentence মই দুটামান উদাহৰণ দি বুজাব বিচাৰিছো যাতে ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলে বুজি পোৱাত অসুবিধা নহয় we have lived in this house another important point এইটো তোমালোকে চাবা যে we have pay your attention please we have lived in this house for 2 years okay কথাটো কি যে এই ঘৰটোত আমি 2 বছৰ ধৰি বাস কৰি আছো you see I am writing the sentence in present perfect tense we have lived we have been living nalika we have lived in this house for 2 years the for 2 years 2 বছৰ ধৰি আমি এই ঘৰটোত বাস কৰি আছো okay sentence to ভুল আছে নি নাই হোৱা this is correct but the same sentence can be written in present perfect continuous tense also or দুইটা হ'ব দুইটা শুদ্ধ গতিকে মই সেন্টেন্সটো আকৌ লিখি দিছো we have been living in this house for 2 years okay